Alright guys, it is time once again to get out your Saturday night snack and a movie planning journal. This Saturday we are going to be watching Midnight Madness. If you haven't seen this movie, make sure you get it for this Saturday because it is hilarious. If you haven't made a planning journal yet, make sure you get on the website, thatnateguystuff.com, get some of these stickers, go to the Dollar Tree and get one of these books and make your very own. That way each week you can join me in turning to a clean page and writing down everything that I'm about to tell you that you need to prepare for this weekend's movie. And the number one thing is Midnight Madness. Get it on DVD, find out where you can stream it. Absolutely hilarious movie. The second thing is the snack we are going to be making. I love to make snacks that tie into the movie, so for our Midnight Madness movie night, we are going to be making Johnny's Fat Boy Burgers. You'll understand it once you see the movie. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do is get on Amazon and get some of these burger baskets. They're very cheap. You can get them in like a 4 or 5 pack. You also want to grab some of these classic basket liners. Check that out. Red and white checked, just like those old burger joints. And now for your shopping list. The first thing you're going to need is burger. Now you can get whatever kind is your favorite burger. This is my favorite right here. 27% fat from Walmart. I find that this kind burns the best and tastes the best. All that fat will cook out of there and you will have a delicious burger when you're done. The next thing you need is buns for your burgers. Now this is the kind I'm going to be using. I like the buns with seeds. These are Pepperidge Farm Farmhouse Hearty White burger buns with seeds. Next, you need whatever you're going to put on your burgers. For me personally, I'm going to be using shredded lettuce, a diced onion, and pickles. Now, this is the kind that I like right here, the hamburger dill chips. They're nice and thin. I don't like those big, thick, crunchy things. Of course, you need cheese. Now, I got a whole bunch of cheese right here, but you can pick up whatever kind you want. We're also going to be making a special sauce, which is just going to consist of mayonnaise. This is the kind I like right here. It's not actually mayonnaise, I guess. It's actually salad dressing made by Spin Blend. And we're going to be mixing a little bit of that with some ketchup. That is going to be our special sauce. You can't have an awesome Johnny's Fat Boy Burger without fries, though. So also you need to get your favorite kind of fries, and this is mine right here. Checkers Rally's famous seasoned fries. These are delicious. And last but not least, don't forget the Dr. Pepper. Specifically, Dr. Pepper, unless you don't like it. And you will understand once you see the movie. Alright guys, that's it. That's everything you need to write down in your planning journal for this weekend's Midnight Madness movie night. I will see you then.